everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this video that I wanted to share with you is the minimalistic approach inside my handbag. Now I'm someone who is really busy, but I like to stay organized and I hate being weighed down with clutter in my life. So I wanted to share with you the essentials that I carry around in my handbag that incorporate a minimalistic philosophy in life, but also take into consideration the environment and saving money. Alright, so first of all, I want to introduce you to my handbag. Now this is a Carl Friedrich bag. It is made with Italian leather, but the leather is actually stained and dyed with vegetable dye, so the impact on the environment is significantly reduced. Also, you'll notice there are absolutely no logos or brands written anywhere on the bag. It's a very simplistic and classic timeless style that will not date, and the leather is so incredibly soft. But what I love the most about this bag, and what I find the most special thing about this bag, is inside they've actually got my initials written in here. So if I ever decide to pass this bag on, because we do not contribute towards landfill on this channel, I can actually pass this bag on knowing that it's got some history and it's had a journey behind it. Now the first thing inside my bag is my canvas grocery shopping tote. I'm the sort of person who always forgets to take my shopping bags with me to the supermarket. And as a result, I end up carrying and juggling and dropping all my ingredients everywhere because I refuse to take a plastic bag. But the great thing about this canvas tote is it folds up neatly into a really small, ball or bunch, you could say, and neatly sits in my handbag without taking up too much space or making it heavy. Also, this bag is from The Source Bulk Foods, which is a fantastic place to shop because it means you can only buy what you need. You actually can choose the weight of how much products you're actually buying, which is fantastic for saving money, for buying great quality produce, but also not buying more than you need. And it inspires me when I see this brand to shop mindfully in my local supermarket. Next thing is my Bose headphones and my iPhone headphones. Now, I'm someone who's really time poor. I love listening to things and learning new things. So if I'm on a treadmill at the gym, or I'm in the car, or I am going for a walk with the dogs, or I'm sitting in bed at night, I love to listen to things, whether it be meditational music, whether it be a podcast, something on YouTube, or even a book on Blinkist, which is my number one favorite app. This means I can never be caught out. Now, I always use these first because they're so comfortable. The sound quality is amazing and they're great in particular for running on a treadmill. They don't fall out or bounce around. But I hate being caught out. So if the batteries ever run low on this, I've always got a backup pair through my iPhone so I can always listen to things when I'm on the go. Next thing in my bag you probably or may think is a little bit weird, but it's really important for the environment, and that is metal chopsticks. I absolutely love Asian food, in particular Japanese food, and there's this cafe near my office that makes the most amazing mushroom and tofu noodle salad. It is so delicious and it's vegan. And they always have wooden chopsticks, and so do all the other Asian restaurants and cafes that I go to in my area. So by packing my own metal chopsticks, I do not need to damage the environment and create any more wastage. I just simply pull out these bad babies. Next thing is my minimalistic, very small wallet. Now, I recently upgraded my wallet because my other wallet I'd had for I think about 8 years. It was starting to get a bit tired and tatty, and one of my really good friends was mentioned to me that she'd been looking everywhere for a wallet just like that on the second-hand economy. So I decided that was a sign. I gave her my wallet and I bought this new one. So inside my wallet are just my ATM key cards, my driver's license, my one credit card, and my health insurance card. That is pretty much it. There are no coins in there. There's no cash in there because I am embracing the cashless society. My next thing, which is this thing really irks me, is my lip balm. I cannot stand having dry, cracked lips. It really irks me. I almost can't concentrate if I have dry lips. So I always carry around with me lip balm. And one thing that I'm really trying to do is reduce the amount of chemicals that I'm exposed to, particularly on my face. So this is an Organics Beach House Lipsticks Balm, and it has raw olive butter, it's got pomegranate, it's got aloe vera, it's got rose hip, it's got rosemary extract, all these beautiful natural ingredients, and it's a nice chunky lip balm stick, so I can't lose it down the cracks and crevices of my handbag. And then the final thing that I carry around in my handbag is just a basic makeup kit. Now I will be doing a separate video for you guys sharing with you what is inside this, but this is a Louis Vuitton limited edition cosmetic purse. I've had it for a couple of years now and I absolutely love it. Inside my bag, which as I said I will show you in more detail later, but it's just the essentials. A retractable blush brush, which I believe is also vegan as well, my tinted moisturizer, and just a few simple basics. That's all I need to quickly reapply my makeup during the day, because when I'm not filming I typically don't wear that much makeup. I like to keep it really quite clean, simple and fresh, and of course minimalistic. Now I actually have a handbag ritual that I do at the end of every day to make sure that I'm continuing to live my life in a minimalistic, efficient way. And that is, at the end of every day, I empty out my handbag. I pull out all the contents. I throw away all the dirty tissues or bits of rubbish or notes of paper, file them away, just clear out everything that's in my handbag. I only put back in the essentials that I need, like things like these items, and that is it. Everything else gets thrown away or filed away. This also stops new things getting put into my handbag that I simply don't need and weigh me down and create more clutter and distractions in my life, because living a life minimalistically is all about embracing simplicity, making sure that you have the most amount of energy and you're incredibly organized and happy and free in your life. And having an organized handbag definitely contributes to my sense of happiness. So that is it for this video. I really hope it's inspired you to look at the things that you're carrying around in your handbag and incorporate a minimalistic approach in the way that you're living your life. If you'd like to check out any of the products that I've talked about in my handbag, including this beautiful handbag, please check the links out below. And wishing you all a fantastic week ahead full of efficiency, simplicity, and bliss. Ciao for now, guys.